Hey friends, if you wish to reset Taskbar Chat to factory defaults in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, I'll tell you about the Taskbar Chat. It is basically Microsoft Teams. And if you wish to do something about it, then here's what you have to do. Search for Teams in the Windows search bar because that's what it is called. Now, you'll find all the status here. And if you just want to reset the status, you can click on Reset Status. Okay, but if you wish to reset the app, then search for Teams and then expand this and then go to app settings and then you can scroll down and then click on reset and then on reset once again. So it will need a while to reset and then you will get the tick mark here. If this doesn't help either, then you can simply uninstall it. But you know what? Uninstallation is not an option. You will have to do it through PowerShell. So you can just reset it from here. And another option is to repair it. Okay, when you repair it, it will still repair a few of the components. This may need a while, but again, you'll get a tick mark here, which will be confirmation that the app has been repaired. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.